So today we're looking at the Garmin Mini Dashcam, currently retailing at £99. So we'll download the Garmin Drive app now. So we'll jump into the App Store and go over to the Garmin Drive app. Once it's downloaded and we've got the Dashcam set up itself, we will then connect to the Dashcam via the app. To connect the app, all you need to do is hold down the main button on the back of the camera, and this will help sync the camera with the app itself. Once it's done, it will pop up on screen. So if we go into the app settings itself, we can look at things like the settings, what resolution you want to film at. So this camera shoots in 1080p and it's got a 140-degree angle on it, so it's nice and wide, so you'll capture everything in front of you whilst driving. The camera does support parking mode, which means that the camera will continually record during the duration of your car being stopped. You can save footage directly off the app, or you can plug the camera directly into a computer to download the footage. Garmin does supply with the camera a USB, which is long enough to plug into the camera, so if you don't wish to go down the hardwired route, then you can just use this. As you can see with the size comparison of a GoPro, the camera is extremely small, and this is a great ideal camera if you just want something tucked up out the way and you don't really have to worry about it. You can save clips directly from the app itself, or if you're out driving, just hit the button on the back and you'll be able to save the most recent recording. You can choose on the app how long you want the duration to be. Price wise, I think it's a good option. If you go much cheaper, then you do start to suffer on quality and some of the features on it. The app itself is really good to use. It's available on both Android and iOS, so you won't have any issues with that. It's nice and simplistic, and I don't really seem to have any issues with it at all. Overall, I'd fully rate this camera. I think the quality is good for what I need it for. I know that you can get some 4K cameras out there, but in all honesty, I don't think I'd need that. If I wanted better quality footage for videos or something like that, I'd probably just go and use a GoPro. You can choose to have the timestamp on, which I think is good, so it shows the time and date if you wish. If, for example, you did get into an accident or just needed it for proof of something, then you'd definitely be able to tell when it happened. This camera doesn't have GPS, and that is something that some of the other models does have, so if that's something you're interested in, then perhaps this wouldn't be the camera for you. I've dropped a link to this camera in the description at the cheapest place that I can currently find, so if you want to have a look at it, check it out for yourself. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.